Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a special topic for all you beginners out there: how to drive a car. If you're looking to hit the open road and start your journey behind the wheel, you're in the right place. We'll cover everything you need to know to get started on your road to becoming a confident and safe driver. So, without further ado, let's buckle up and dive right in. First things first, before you even think about driving, you need to ensure that you meet the legal requirements in your area. This typically includes being of a certain age and having the necessary permits and documentation. Check with your local DMV or equivalent agency to make sure you're eligible. Know your vehicle. Now that you're eligible to drive, let's get familiar with the car. Your vehicle will have a variety of controls, including the steering wheel, pedals, gear shift, and dashboard. Take the time to understand what each of these does. It's also important to adjust your seat, mirrors, and steering wheel to your comfort and needs. Starting the car. Starting the car is a straightforward process, but you should always follow the manufacturer's instructions. Insert the key or press the brake pedal and hit the start button if your car has one. Remember to keep your foot on the brake while doing this. Basic controls. Let's go over the basic controls. The gas pedal is on the right, the brake is on the left, and the clutch is for manual transmission cars. The gear shift is typically in the center. Make sure you understand how to use these controls smoothly and safely. Turning and steering. Turning and steering are fundamental skills. Use your hands on the steering wheel at the 9 and 3 feet or 10 and 2 feet positions. Practice turning in a parking lot or quiet street to get a feel for your car's responsiveness. Signaling and lane changes. Always use your turn signals to indicate your intentions. When changing lanes, check your mirrors, use your turn signal, and look over your shoulder to ensure it's safe to change lanes. Safety is paramount. Parking and stopping. Parking and stopping are essential skills. Practice parallel parking and learn how to park in various scenarios. Remember to use your parking brake to secure the car when parked. Defensive driving. Defensive driving means being aware of your surroundings and anticipating the actions of other drivers. Stay focused, keep a safe following distance, and be prepared for unexpected situations. Rules of the road. Understanding traffic laws and road signs is vital. Always obey speed limits, stop at stop signs, and yield the right of way when required. Ignoring these rules can result in accidents and penalties. Practice and confidence. Lastly, practice makes perfect. Start in a low traffic area, and gradually build your confidence as you become more comfortable behind the wheel. Take it slow, and don't rush the learning process. And there you have it, our beginner's guide on how to drive a car. Remember, it's all about practice, patience, and safety. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Safe travels, and happy driving!